A refund on Starbucks is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get a refund on Starbucks app. So for that we will go to the Starbucks application, the Starbucks application. In order to get a refund you simply have to call them. So how can you call them? In order to call them you have to tap on your profile and it will show update, something like that. Here you have to tap on the health section. In the help it will take you to your browser. In iOS it will take you to Safari. In my device it took me to Google Chrome. There you have to scroll down until you see the option for call us. So just have to tap on give us a call and then you have to describe the issue. So I'm just going to type in refund, and after typing in refund that is just slowed, I'm just going to tap on that option. Or wait a minute, I did a mistake, so I just have to go back. You just have to tap on the give us a call button and there you have to describe an issue. This type something and then you have to scroll down and then you have to tap on this button which you didn't find. You simply have to give them a call and let them know please refund it, so there will be able to do it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this for the helpful.